Andy's adventure beyond the garden. Once upon a time, in a bustling anthill nestled deep within a quiet corner of a garden, lived a colony of hard-working ants. Led by their wise queen, Antonia, they diligently went about their daily tasks of foraging for food and caring for their young. One sunny morning, as the first rays of dawn painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, a young ant named Andy set out on a special mission. He had heard tales from the older ants about a mystical garden beyond the edge of their territory, where flowers bloomed in every color imaginable and fruits ripened to perfection. Driven by curiosity and a longing for adventure, Andy ventured farther than he ever had before. He navigated through blades of grass taller than him and crossed streams of dewdrops that sparkled like diamonds in the early light. Finally, he arrived at the edge of the garden. The sight that greeted Andy took his breath away. Flowers of all shapes and sizes stretched toward the sky, their petals painted in vibrant shades of red, yellow, purple, and blue. Bees buzzed lazily from bloom to bloom, while butterflies danced in the gentle breeze. Fruits hung heavy from the trees, their sweet scent tantalizing Andy's senses. Overwhelmed by the beauty around him, Andy almost forgot his purpose. But then he remembered the task he had set out to accomplish, to find a rare and precious nectar that would strengthen the colony and nourish their young. With renewed determination, he set about collecting tiny droplets of nectar from the flowers, careful not to disturb the garden's delicate balance. As he worked, Andy noticed something remarkable. Other ants, from different colonies nearby, were also busy gathering food. They worked together harmoniously, each contributing to the greater good. Andy realized that even though they came from different homes, they shared the same goal, to ensure their colonies thrived. Before long, Andy had gathered enough nectar to fill his tiny pouch. He bid farewell to the garden and its inhabitants, grateful for the bounty it had provided. With each step back toward the anthill, Andy's heart swelled with pride. He knew that his journey had not only fulfilled his mission but had also taught him valuable lessons about cooperation, perseverance, and the beauty of the world beyond their tiny home. When Andy returned to the anthill, he was greeted with cheers and admiration from his fellow ants. He proudly presented the nectar to Queen Antonia, who praised him for his bravery and determination. From that day on, Andy became known as the brave ant who ventured beyond the garden and returned with treasures that enriched their lives. And so, in the quiet corner of the garden, the story of Andy's adventure echoed through the anthill, inspiring generations of ants to dream big, explore new horizons, and always remember the power of unity and collaboration.